Hey guys, about 2 months ago I built a 30-foot run-in shed for some of the animals. And I'm going to break this down in a YouTube series starting with the roof. And I'm going to break down step by step how I did everything you're looking at here. And you can do it in a matter of days. And I'm going to show you how. Alright, so starting with the steel roof, you can kind of see, starting at the very end, things were relatively square. I'm not a big fan of starting anything, I don't spend a lot of time getting it square. I think it's unnecessary. I think you can adjust as you go. But you can see, like, towards the middle, the roof started to get off a little bit. You can kind of see where the steel roof is, and you can kind of see where the rafter is. I don't know which one's not square. It doesn't really matter at this point. But here's what I did to fix that. And this is what I mean when I say you don't have to start perfectly square. You get to the end, and all you need to do, this piece I'm going to redo, but you can see how these rafters, the spacing is just different, a little bit different. I just adjusted the rafters so they would line up with the seams of the steel roof. So like I said, it doesn't matter if you start square or if you want to start square, that's fine. It takes a lot longer to get started if you want to be really picky about it. Like I said, I just get started quick, adjust as you go, and just line the rafters up later on so you can screw that down, kind of the seams where they like it screwed down. All right, hope this helps.